Sunday, February 4th, 2024. Fifth Sunday in Ordinary Time. Day of Catechetical Apostolate. Focus. He heals the broken-hearted and binds up their wounds. Like Job, we probably go through times when the day has been hectic and we long to crawl into bed and sleep all night. But when we finally lie down to rest, we do not sleep peacefully. Although we are physically drained, the mind is still fixed on things that bother us, and we toss and turn till the dawn. This can happen if we are self-centered and focus mainly on earthly things. Sometimes God puts us through tough times so that we can turn to Him, which we do for sure. But we again forget Him once we are out of the difficult situation. When Simon Peter's mother-in-law was ill, they just informed Jesus and He healed her. We should strive for such a relationship with Jesus where, as a friend, we tell Him about our situation, about our neighbor's struggle, etc. However, let us not tell Him how to solve the problem. Our God is merciful and wants to heal our wounds. He will step in if invited and do what is best for us. On this catechetical day, let us also remember Saint Francis Xavier, whose focus was heaven, and his strong desire to lead souls there. He was successful in converting many people to the faith. Fruit. With God's grace, in prayer and action, I will take Christ to those going through life's trials.